Я сейчас подскину.
Hello once again from Jurmala Beach, or actually another part of the huge Jurmala Beach. It is 24th of May and around 2 p.m. and we have 28 degrees Celsius in the air. It is so hot. It is amazingly hot that I even needed to put myself under shadow because of the how warm the sun is. This is the hottest I have been on this year, excluding my Crete vacation when it was 30 degrees, but it wasn't this sunny on that day, to be fair. So under the sun it may be over 30 for sure. And yes, now I feel a bit hot, so I will take another swim and another beach adventure with you and show you how it is in this part of the Jurmala Beach. So yes, so the train to Jurmala takes around half an hour from central Riga, and along the way there are several stops, and there are a few other beaches also after this that are based on the stations of the train, and the ticket ride costs €1.50 one way, so quite convenient to get here. And it is huge beach and not crowded at all, as you can find whatever place you want. And we have also still a bit muddy area before going to the water. I'm assuming because the water was at one point up to here or something, so we just need to jump through this part that doesn't look that good, to be fair. But the rest of the beach, the sand is amazing, and it's good that there are also shadows. And yeah, I'm quite surprised. And yes, this is the best beach in Latvia. I have checked on several Google sites, and Jurmala Beach is mentioned as the best Latvian beach. So it's good that I am exploring it also. And yes, so after this I will then start to go in that direction towards the other beaches to shoot some more episodes, so I have more to show you. But I really wanted to chill a bit as I'm super tired, so I had a very early morning flight at 5:45, and I basically got up at 2, which means that I got sleep only of 1 hour because I fall asleep at 1 a.m. So yeah, I will sleep tonight, I'm sure, because I will be tired from all these beach adventures in the beautiful Riga and Jurmala, more specifically. Here we have also shallow area and even few islands as well. The beach is huge, there is no ending to sight. It's amazing. And yeah, despite being 28 degrees in the air, it's only 10 degrees in the water. And believe me, it's cold. It's cold. I feel the coldness of it. It feels also more cold because of the difference in the temperatures. 28 to 10 is a huge difference. So, yeah. Anyway, let's walk a bit more and have a nice refreshing swim, because I need to chill down a bit from walking down along the beach. Oh, beach adventures with Kris in Latvia. Yes, who would have thought? But Latvia is a Baltic state, which means it's on the Baltic Sea, which means there are beaches. So it's not that hard to guess that there are beaches in Latvia. Even though the city in itself, the central part of the city, it's also nice to explore. I was on a cruise in Riga in 2016, I think, or 17, for a day. But then you are on the boat overnight and party. Then you have 7-8 hours on the ground in Riga to explore, and then you go back to Stockholm with the boat and party overnight or sleep, whatever you choose. Okay, cool. Now let's then dive in on this third beach adventure from Jurmala Beach. Let's go! Amazing. Cold but refreshing indeed. Yes. Alright. Then, thank you so much for watching this episode from Jurmala Beach, the third part. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!